Pay stubs serve as physical records of wages and deductions for each pay period. These records should be kept as proof of income and employment. But what do you do if you've lost past pay stubs? Fear not. Keep watching to find out how to show proof of income. Contact Human Resources. The Human Resources office at your old job can be quite helpful in giving you the documentation you need. You can request copies of old pay stubs as well as other payroll records. It's best to contact the HR office as soon as possible. Some companies may require a week or two to gather the needed information. If you need proof of income quickly, call the office directly or visit in person. After contacting HR, be ready to provide personal information such as your full name and mailing address. The office may also ask for dates of employment, social security number, employee ID, and applicable pay periods. Avoid providing this information via email. Confidential information can be stolen and used maliciously. To protect yourself, share this information over the phone or in person. Employer signed letter. If the HR office is unable to provide pay stubs, you can also ask for a letter from the employer. The letter should list your year-to-date earnings. Ensure that the letter is signed on company letterhead. Make copies of the letter for yourself and provide the original copy to the recipient. When applying for a loan, you'll need evidence to support the letter. To do this, provide copies of your bank statements that show the income. Most banks allow you to print monthly bank statements from their website. Check stub generators. We all know the handy tool that is the internet. You can buy products and find answers to any questions you may have. But did you know that you can use an online check stub generator? These programs allow you to easily and instantly generate paycheck stubs. With this type of application, you'll need to provide company information, your name, work schedule, and salary details. Once you've provided the necessary information, you can choose a theme for your pay stub. In just a few seconds, your pay stub is ready to be downloaded. With an online pay stub generator, you don't have to worry about how to show proof of income. Need quick access to your pay stubs? If so, our team at Paystub Creator can help. We've mastered the art of online check stub generation. In just a few minutes, you can have your pay stubs created and ready to be printed. Our application gives you the ability to show proof of income at any time. Do yourself a favor and check out our pay stub generator right away. So that's all for today. Remember to comment and subscribe to our channel. Also, visit our website at www.paystubcreator.net and create your own pay stubs today.